y is equal to, everybody know about the equation of straight line, y is equal to a plus bx. What we are doing here? Take summation both sides. Here summation y is equal to summation a plus summation bx. Okay. Now everybody know about the summation a. E is constant number. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5 times, then you write 5. N times you write n. That's why summation y, summation a constant, summation 1 is equal to na. You write also an. Plus b constant, you write b summation x. Okay, this is equation 1. Now second one, multiply by summation x. Yes, when we multiply summation x, equation this becomes summation xy. A constant, you write a summation x plus b constant summation x square. Equation 2. We need summation y, summation x. Now this is summation x. Now what we are doing? Summation xy. We multiply x and y. Then which value we get? Xy is equal to then summation xy. Look at here. Summation xy you get 6450. Then you need summation x square. What summation x square? Summation x square 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. You write summation x square. Summation x square is, look at here. Which one? 91. Look at here. Everybody know about this value. This value is substituted here. Okay. Now summation y. What is summation y? 3060. And what is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is equal to 6a. You write 6a plus b. B summation x. Summation x is 21. Okay. Now summation xy. What is summation xy? 6450 is equal to a summation x. A summation x means 21 plus b. B summation x square is 91. We solve this equation and solve, then we get a is equal to b is equal to. Okay. Now one trick in 82 ms in Calc, you easily find out a and b. How to? Look at here. In Calc, what we are doing? First, clear all data or back data. How to clear back data? You only press shift mode 1, then all clear data. Okay, look at it. Then you press AC button. Okay. Now what we are doing? Then after you are right in your Calc, press mode button. Press mode button. Then after press 1, 2 and third. Third means 3 number. number place. 3 number place means reg, regression. Okay. Then you place in your calci 1, 1200. Then after you place n plus. ओके, तो हम आपको स्क्रीन में क्या दिखाई देगा, n इज इक्वल टू 1. देन आफ्टर अगेन स्टोर अनदर नंबर. विच नंबर? 900. प्लेस m plus you get n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. Place 3,600 m plus you get n is equal to 3. Place 4,200 m plus you get n is equal to 4. Place 5,110 m plus you get n is equal to 5. Place 50 number m plus n is equal to 6. Then you just press button shift. Which button? Shift. Then after you press second number the S variance લખેલો છે, S variance. ઓકે, તે બટન પ્રેસ કરવાનું. તો S variance પ્રેસ કરશો ત્યાર પછી તમારે રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ પર પ્રેસ કરવાનું. ઓકે, તો તમને 1 ટાઈમ ને 2 ટાઈમ પ્રેસ કરશે એટલે તમને દેખાશે A B. A is equal to 1, तो 1 प्रेस करવાનું. जो 1 प्रेस करશો ને એટલે તમને વેલ્યુ દેખાશે A ની વેલ્યુ. તો A ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી છે? A ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી દેખાશે? 1361.97. 1361.97. પછી અગેન બટન કરો, પ્રેસ કરવાનું shift, પછી S variance. ઓકે, ત્યાર પછી તમે બટન પ્રેસ કરશો એટલે તમને મળશે આ ટાઈપનું B. B એટલે 2 નંબર પ્રેસ કરવાનો એટલે B ની વેલ્યુ તમને મળશે -243.42. This value substitute here. Then you get y is equal to A means 1361.97 minus 243.42x. Okay, this is our straight line linear equation. Okay, હવે જો તમે કેલ્સીમાં ફરીથી કેલ્સી ઉઠાવવાનું. કેલ્સીમાં તમારે મોડ બટન પ્રેસ કરવાનું. મોડ બટન. Okay, you get answer. This is trick of the equation. Straight line એટલે તમારે LIN પ્રેસ કરવાનું. Okay, exponential function એટલે exp પ્રેસ કરવાનું. logarithm function એટલે log પ્રેસ કરવાનું. quadratic function એટલે QAD પ્રેસ કરવાનું. Okay, now then you get easily this type of way. Look at here. Like, share and subscribe. Next lecture we study about quadratic equation, how to solve.